about artificial technology, genetic changes, and hybridization in various for human welfare. See, we have to see the nowadays we are using the hybridization. So many seeds is a hybridization is there. See, see, it is a genetically modified these seeds. See, olden days, see, there is no more production. See, more yielding in our field. But nowadays, using the hybrid seeds, hybridization or genetically modified seeds, we are getting the more production in our field. See here, hybridization, see what say various branches of see science like cytology, next is there biotechnology, biochemistry, molecular biology, next genetic engineering. See this like so many branches is there in this biotechnology. What is the, see we have to see the main areas of biotechnology. Next, main areas of biotechnology. What is main areas is there? See, we have to see the various purpose we are using the this biotechnology. See here, first one, use of microbes. Where is using microbes? Use of microbes. Use of microbes. See, microbes is a using for, it is a milk to yogurt. Milk to yogurt. Yogurt. Next we have to see the microbes is a using the molasses alcohol. So it is a using for molasses to alcohol. See, it is a using the microbes for production of the alcohol. Say yeast bacteria. See, yeast. It is a using and it is a production of the alcohol also. See, milk to yogurt. See, it is a production of the yogurt. You already learned this is a milk to yogurt. Next we have to see the uses of cell. So it is a produce the antibiotics. It is a using in medicines. Uses of cells. So it is a producing to produce antibiotics. See, to produce antibiotics. Say it is a producing the antibiotics. Next we have to see the see this like azithromycin, tetracycline. See this like number of antibiotics also we learn. Next, use of the biomolecules. Use of the biomolecules. Use of the biomolecules. What is biomolecules? See, biomolecules means is a DNA, proteins, enzymes. This like is there. See, hormones. See, you can learn. This is a topic is there in a big topic in it is a 11th standard biology for. So it is a biomolecule means production. It is a DNA protein in human welfare. DNA and protein for human welfare. Human welfare. DNA and protein, human welfare. Next we have to see the genetically modified bacteria. Genetically modified bacteria. Genetically modified bacteria. See, here is a modified, genetically modified bacteria. See, it is a for example, used to produce desired quality of plants. See, it is a using this bacteria plus seed. Bacteria plus seed means it is a genetically modified, and to produce the human hormones, growth hormones also. See here, to use to produce desired quality of plant. Use to produce desired quality quality of plant. Next, here we are using the to produce human growth hormone. To produce human growth hormone. Okay. See here what said, used to produce desired quality of plant, means it is a it is mixing with this like desired quality of bacteria with the seed. See, next we have to see that to produce the human growth hormone. For example, we have to see the nowadays we are using the various this like Complan, Bonvita. See, this like using means it is a Horlicks. See, this like giving to the advertisement on the televisions. If you taking these substances, your growth will be increased. Your child growth will be increased. See, this like number of advertisement also giving on the televisions, electronic and print media. See, used to genetic and non-genetic technology. Used to genetic and non-genetic technology. So it is a first one is a tissue culture. First one here is using the tissue culture. See, we already learned tissue cultures. See, various these tissues using, and it is a using for organs. Okay, tissue culture. Next we have to see the production of hybrid seeds. Production of hybrid seeds. See, this like using the production of hybrid seeds. See here, main areas of biotechnology. First one, use of microbes. So it is a milk to yogurt. It is a producing. Next, molasses to alcohol, preparation of alcohol. Next, use of cells to produce antibiotics. It is a using in the medicines. See, use of the biomolecules. It is a DNA, protein for human welfare. Next, this one, genetically modified bacteria. Say, used to produce the desired quality of plants and to produce the human growth hormones also. Say, next one, used to genetic and non-genetic technology. First one is a tissue culture. We already learned tissue culture. Next, production of hybrid seeds. See, in our society, number of seeds nowadays is a hybrid seeds. See, they have to tolerate the more water. So it is a resistant of the insects. See, this like so many, they can survive these organisms. Okay. Okay. Next we have to learn commercial application of biotechnology. See, nowadays we are using the commercially. So many commercially for using the these organisms, and we have to see the commercial application of biotechnology. Commercial application of biotechnology. Application of biotechnology. What is commercial uses is there? Commercial application. See, here using the commercial application of biotechnology. We are using the crop biotechnology. First one is a crop biotechnology. Crop biotechnology. Second one is a animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. Third one is a human health. Human health. Fourth one is a industrial product. Industrial product. Fifth one is a environment biotechnology. Environment biotechnology. Next we have to see the food biotechnology and DNA fingerprinting. Food biotechnology. Seventh one is a DNA fingerprint. Okay, see here, see we are using this biotechnology application for commercial production. We are getting the more production nowadays because of biotechnology. Okay, see crop biotechnology. Next, animal husbandry. Next, human health. Next, industrial productions. Next, environment biotechnology. Next, food biotechnology, DNA fingerprint. See, this like we are using the various purpose these biotechnology. Okay, next first we have to learn about the crop biotechnology. Crop biotechnology. See here, first one is a crop biotechnology. Biotechnology. See, in the crop biotechnology, we are using the hybrid seeds, see genetically modified crop. Next, biofertilizers. For example, first one is a hybrid seed. First one is a hybrid seeds. See, what is hybrid seeds? Genes of two different crop. Genes of the two different crop useful. Genes of two different crop. Different crops. So it is using for genes are two different crop. Useful for fruit. So it is a useful for fruit. See, for example, see here we have to learn some examples. Genes of two different crop and useful for fruit. For example, a mango tree is there. Two mango trees is there. See, one mango tree is a giving to the more fruits. See, more mangoes. See, another, but the mangoes is it is a more sour in taste is there, and their size also small. Their size also small. Now we have to see the another mango tree. Another mango tree, it is a getting the big fruits, but it is a less in number on the plant. Less in number on the plant. What will happen in the both plants? Both plants is doing the hybridization. Hybridizations, and we are getting the useful to for fruits. It will be taking the minimum size of fruits, and it is a more number of fruits. This like hybridization is a doing. Hybridization is a doing. Now we have to see the in olden days. See, chana. For example, we have to take the chana. See, number of in our area is now showing the chana because of the hybrid seeds is there. The resistant of the pests, the resistant, it is we are getting the more yielding because of it is a biotechnology. Next we have to see the in our area so many members is just sowing the soybean. See, it is also hybrid seeds, means it is a getting the more yielding nowadays. See, so many crops we have to see compared to the our grandfather and now. See, it is a grandfather is a getting the very less yielding in their field. Okay. See, because of see this like there is no genetically modified crops. See, this is a hybrid seeds. Next we have to see the second one, genetically modified crop. Genetically modified crop. So it is a genetically modified crop is there. Say foreign gene plus crop gene. So it is a adding to the foreign gene plus it is a crop gene. Crop gene. See, you have to see crop gene. See, adding to the two genes. One is a foreign gene, another one is a crop gene. And here form the give high yielding, next disease resistant. Give high yielding and it is a disease resistant. Disease resistant. Disease resistant. Okay. Now we have to see the here is a genetically modified crop. So it is a adding to the foreign gene plus crop gene. So it is a both are mixing and we are getting the give high yielding and disease resistant. For example, we have to see the here. We have to see here. Okay. I will write here. So it is a 3. 1 is a 3. 4 is a 3. What is? So it is a BT cotton. See, BT brinjal. BT cotton and BT brinjal. See here, BT cotton. So it is also we are getting the more production nowadays cotton also in so many areas. See, bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacteria Bacillus. So it is a bacteria using Bacillus thuringiensis. See, this like bacteria is a using and it is a production of more cotton. See, ball. What is it? Is a eating the leaves and ball worms. So it is a these ball worms is a feeding on the ball and leaves. So it is a destroying the totally crop. But if we using this BT cotton seeds in our field, what will happen? If we feeding these ball worm on the cotton, so it is a leaves and balls, what will happen? The food substances is entering in their digestive system and they are creating the poisonous. The worm will be die. See, it is a Bacillus thuringiensis. See here. Next we have to see the here also same. It is a brinjal for also. It is a same. That's why we are getting the more production nowadays is a cotton. In Maharashtra, so many areas is a production are yielding the more cotton. Next we have to see the next golden rice. Third one is a golden rice. Golden rice. What is golden rice? Golden rice. See, we have to see the golden rice also with a gene with vitamin A. See, it is a see here gene with vitamin A or vitamin A. Next, it is a beta carotene and present and 23 times more vitamin A is there. It is a beta carotene. protein is present, and here and 23 times more vitamin A. Vitamin A is present in golden rice. Okay. Next we have to see the another one is a herbicide to tolerant plant. So it is a herbicides means okay. So it is a unwanted plants is growing along with the main crop. We are calling the herbicides. Here herbicides also we have to see the nowadays herbicide tolerant plant. Okay, herbicide tolerant plant. Herbicide tolerant plant. See, herbicide tolerant plant. See here, genetically modified crop, foreign gene plus crop gene. See, give high yielding and disease resistant. Okay, see here, BT cotton bacteria is there. So it is a Bacillus thuringiensis. It is a modified foreign gene is a bacteria. Main crop is a cotton seed. It is a applying. Next BT brinjals also. Golden rice. So it is a modified this one also. It is a vitamin A is more than, see, 23 times more than vitamin A is present in this golden rice. Next we have to see the herbicides. Herbicides means we have to see the nowadays in our area. See, we are using for it is a herbicides, weedicides means weeds is a more present in our main crop. If weeds is more is present in our main crop, what will happen? The crop, the weeds is a getting a more nutrition, and the weeds is a dominating to main crop. Our main crop is a suppressed by weeds. If you spray these weedicides, see what will happen? Our main crop will be, it is a not damaged, but only damage the weeds only. Weeds, unwanted plants. This like resistant is present in this plant, hybrid seeds. It is a tolerant is there. Okay, have you understood? Next we have to see the another one. It is a biofertilizers. Biofertilizers. See, I have to rub this one. Next, biofertilizers. See here, biofertilizers contain living microorganisms. It is a living microorganisms. Living microorganisms. Next we have to see when applied to seed promote growth. When applied to seed promote growth. Growth will be increasing. Next we have to see the biofertilizers. Bacteria, Nostoc, Rhizobium, Azotobacter. See, like bacteria, Rhizobium, rhizobium. Next we have to see the nostoc, see azotobacter, okay. Biofertilizers. Bio means life. Fertilizers. See, the contain the living organisms. The living organisms is a contained in biofertilizers. When applied to this, it is a promote the growth of the plant, promote the growth of the seed. So it is a these biofertilizers. Like we have to see the bacteria, rhizobium, nostoc, see azotobacter. What will happen? See, in our atmosphere, excessive amount of nitrogen is present. The getting the nitrogen from atmosphere from a root to water, and they are preparing the own ammonia. Own ammonia. The ammonia, see, it is a giving to the these plants. Okay. For example, we have to see the here N2 plus H2. See what will happen? Here form the NH3. NH3 will be formed. See this line? NH3 will be formed. This ammonia is getting these plants. Okay? See, it is about the totally commercial application of biotechnology and crop biotechnology.